Oh, hey Connor?
Yeah?
I know we haven't known each other for like a long time or whatever, but like I just want to say that
What the?
I mean, this isn't exactly how I planned it, but
Did you see the size of that pothole? These roads really need repairing. Sorry, you were saying?
never mind. It's not important. Excuse me. I don't want to be rude, but I'd like to know what's being done to fix some of Fremont's roads. Some of them are in need of total repair.
Well, thanks so much for stopping by. I actually have really good news. After decades of not having enough money to properly take care of our roads, last year the state of California approved a new transportation funding source known as Senate Bill 1, or SB 1 for short.
Oh, cool.
This program provides over $5 billion annually across California to repair roads and upgrade our transportation systems. And check this out, 39 miles of streets in Fremont are going to be repaved this summer.
Wow, all those smooth roads we'll get to drive, ride, and walk on. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for driving me home again. Hopefully this time goes a lot better.
Yeah, seems like a much smoother drive back to your house. The construction teams did a great job.
Yeah, they sure did. Hey, remember I was trying to tell you something last time?
Oh yeah, what's up?
Well, what I was trying to tell you is that I like you, and I think we should go out sometime soon.
I was trying to actually figure out how to say the exact same thing.
Alright, so pick me up at 7?
Yeah, I'll see you then. Can't wait. Wait, is this yours?
Oh, yeah, it's just for this project I was working on earlier. But yeah, see you at 7?
Yeah, 7.
Okay, awesome.